gonna make another video of slime.
Yay!
So slime is kind of hard because there is a big instruction booklet, so Mom will help me. So first of all, we have cornstarch, 2 sticks, glitter, the glue, this ball thingy, and the measuring cup. That's all of the ingredients. So let's get going. So first of all, we forgot the microwave when we get the water. So what should we need first?
Yeah, you have to read the instructions.
Why me? It's too many.
No, step one by one. It's okay.
Step 1 is step 1. Use the measuring cup to measure 15 ml of glue into 10 hot water in a bowl. Let's go. Let's go.
How much ml is this glue?
15. Wow.
Okay, this glue you measure is 15 ml. Okay, put it inside the bowl.
Put the water.
What is that, Fatik?
Hot water.
Okay, 10 ml. Okay, mix.
We're about to make the yummiest slime. I mean, not the yummiest slime. The easiest slime trick, I never know if it lights. I'm about to put this nice glitter. Wait, should I put half?
Yep, enough. Mix it all.
Oh, nice. It's nice slime. My slime is gonna be the best than everyone's slime. Oh my gosh, I never know this. Oh. So viewers, we're gonna put the cornstarch. So what do we do with cornstarch? Second ingredient.
This is
But look, we
One.
made it dirty.
It's okay. Yeah, it's all about it's about 3 tablespoons. Okay.
So it's 3. Oh wait, that's dirty. Ew. Now,
Okay.
now do we put
Now
this
this
in
says
this?
15 ml of warm water.
That's right here. Here's the measuring cup. Ismekis.
इसमें Fatik 15 ml of water inside this.
I'll put that on.
Okay, mix them well. Yeah, please put this into this.
No, what if we do it the opposite? This to this.
I think that would be more better.
You mean yes?
The dry one into the wet one.
Why?
Yep, that's the rule of baking. Okay.
I'm excited!
Wow.
It's and bye. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.